Log into ReliWeb using the credentials provided to you. The audit history page shows the audit outcomes performed by the AI solutions, allowing you to view quality checks and inspection results in real time. You can use the Search Audit field to find specific results. Apply filters through the Select option menu to customize how audits are displayed based on your preferences. Once you've selected an audit, click Load to generate and display its detailed results. Please note that loading may take a few minutes. When it's complete, the results will be ready for review. The Clear button allows you to delete the selected audit. Once clicked, the current audit will reset to none. Filters help you narrow down the results, for example, to view only not okay audits or audits within a specific time range. To remove any active filters, simply click Remove Filter. Audit results are displayed under the Audit Results column. For audits marked as not okay, you can quickly view the related image, pipeline, and state directly from the list. To review an audit in more detail, click on its result. On the Detail page, you'll find a complete breakdown of the audit results, highlighting key areas such as detected defects, showing or hiding annotations, and zooming in on specific components. If you wish to dispute an audit result, select the Dispute checkbox. Results that are not disputed will be automatically considered accepted. This feedback process is essential for improving AI model accuracy and adapting to changing production conditions. Unsupported outputs indicate that the audited product is not supported by Relimetrics, meaning the customer may have accidentally submitted an unsupported product to the system. Own your AI with ReliVision.